Lawnmower's when you pull it.
Like, oh yeah, you go.
What about the sprinkler?
I don't do the sprinkler. That's like.
Come on, Daddy taught you the sprinkler.
I don't know what he did.
Do you know the sprinkler? Yeah, you go.
There you go. We want to see it over here.
Okay.
We want to see together. Teach Tyler.
Wait, hang on.
Okay.
I gotta go to video for that
Gotta get your hand like this, and you gotta go.
Wait. Okay, how is it done?
They even have the face.
The other one you were doing.
The lawnmower?
The lawnmower?
Oh. Yeah.
Can you do that with him? I don't know. I gotta have my shoes off for that. Dude. I don't know. I did like. Yeah. Do it again. Wait. Do it again.
You gotta rev it up. You gotta.
That's still.
You sure that's not the calf roper?
I don't know.